What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. And the Google Pixel 8 series is indeed getting official on 4th of October, but what's also good news right now is that Google has now officially disclosed their pre-orders and the phone will be commenced on sale. Now, as per the Google official tweet on the X, formerly known as Twitter, they have revealed that the Pixel 8 and the 8 Pro will be starting with their pre-orders on 5th of October, and the phone will be available exclusive to Flipkart in India. Now, this is a bit disappointing as we know how the service of the Flipkart has been in the recent months, but it does seems like we have to make peace with that. So apart from that, the Pixel 8 and the 8 Pro, alongside it, the Pixel Watch 2 is also coming to India this time around. There are very high chances that the Pixel Watch 2 will be coming to India, and it will indeed be a good addition to the Google's own ecosystem. Now, there are also rumors that the Pixel Buds Pro 2 will also be launching, or the new color variant of the Pixel Buds Pro is coming to go, but it's not clarified right now which version of the Pixel Buds will be coming, whether a new generation or the previous one would be coming. So stay tuned for that as well. If you like this variant, do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Now, the Pixel 8 is indeed going to be a great phone from Google, as it is really improving on its hardware and the bugginess what the initial levels of software is coming. And this time around, it does feel like the Google is indeed listening towards the fan, and it's following the Pixel 8 camera is indeed going to get a major bump, and the Pixel 8 Pro will also be getting a periscopic camera for the very first time, which is amazing. Now, additionally, there are also rumors that the Pixel 8 will also be featuring record-breaking Android updates on the phone, which is up to 5 years of major Android upgrades and 5 years of security patch. So what do you think about that? Let us know in the comment section as well, and I'll see you in the very next one. Thanks for watching.